Hi, Rick here from Marionville RC, DJI dealer from the UK and RC specialist for over 45 years. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your new Osmo Action into the action. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and support the channel and give me the power to bring you more videos. Okay, so we're going to need our Osmo Action, battery and our USB charging cable. So first thing we need to do is get the Osmo Action. I'm going to do that constantly through the video, so if I say GoPro, I do mean Osmo Action. So the clasp is similar to the GoPro, so we just need to uncatch that, drop the door down, and push the camera out. Now, you probably don't want to push it down on the lens because you're just going to end up with fingerprints. So we take that out. In the side, you have the little door, push the catch, lift up. This is where the charging is going to be done, and of course you've got your slot for your for your USB cable. But first thing we need to do is we need to get our battery into the camera. So we just put that in there, clips into place, and then we can now just take the cellophane off the cable. Now I'm just going to plug it into a USB extension lead that I've actually got plugged into a DJI Spark charger, but obviously just any sort of like iPhone type charger, phone charger in the wall. That into there, and that into the slot in the side. As you see, we now have, just make sure it's securely pushed in, and you can now see that we have a red charging indicator on the front. And that is it now charging. Okay, so once it's fully charged, you'll notice that the red light is now powered out, and you can now disconnect the charging lead. Now, just as a sort of tip, if you find the door's actually getting in the way, you can actually remove it. You just remove it by pulling the door up against the side, and you see it clips off because the hinge has got like a small slot in it. And then to put it back on, you can just clip it back on, and then that just shuts down. Well, I hope you like my video on getting your new Osmo Action into the action. If you'd like to support my channel, you can always like, share and subscribe, and remember to hit the little bell icon, and every time I post up a new video you will get notified. Down in the comments you'll also find a link to purchase the Osmo Action direct from my website if you're in the UK or the EU. If not, there's an affiliate link for the DJI website. Costs nothing to you, but I get a small commission which helps support the channel and keep the videos coming. And I will see you on the next video.